Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain you very important problems which are very useful. These models are useful for your JEE mains examination, those who are writing in April session. Okay now. So such a type of one problem is this. See here, if sigma r runs from 1 to n tr is equal to 3 power n minus 1, then find the sum of sigma r runs from 1 to n 1 by tr. Now what is the meaning of this? First of all, see here this problem. Sigma, this is the first notation. First, what is the meaning of tr? So tr can I write down? So here in the progression we have Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Similarly, Tr is equal to Sr minus Sr minus 1. Understand? What is sum to r runs from 1 to n Tr means what? Sum to n terms. T1 plus T2 plus, what is the meaning of this means? Sn. What is the meaning of that? Sn. T1 plus T2 plus T3, r runs from 1 to n. T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus so on, Tn. Nothing but Sn is given as 3 power n minus 1. That means Sr means what? 3 power r minus 1 minus 3 power r minus 1. So here r means r minus 1 means r minus 1, Tr. Now this is equal to minus plus cancel 3 power r minus 3 power r minus 1. Understand? Okay. Now let us take 3 power r minus 1 cancel. So this is a 3 minus 1. 2 times 3 power r minus 1 we got. So one by one systematically I am telling finding 1 by tr is there. No, I got the value tr as a 2 into 3 to the power of r minus 1. Okay now. Now 1 by tr I want. That is equal to 1 by tr means what? 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 whole power r minus 1. That means 1 by 2. This is 1 by 3 whole power r minus 1. Okay. We want sigma r runs from 1 to n. That means sigma r runs from 1 to n, 1 by tr is equal to 1 by 2 r runs from 1 to n, 1 by 3 whole power r minus 1. Definitely that sigma gives the geometric progression. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into r runs from 1 to n. Put r is equal to 0. If you put r is equal to 0, what happens? This is a 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus so on 1 by 3 whole power n. Understand? So this is equal to 1 by 2 into clearly that is a geometric progression. Sum to n terms of the geometric progression a into, that means 1 into 1 minus r. A into 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus 1 by 3. So this is a 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 whole power n by 1 minus 1 by 3. So that is equal to 2 by 3. So this is 1 by 2 by 2 by 3. So this is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 1 by 3 power n. This will be your final answer. Understand this? Okay. I hope that you understand this problem. The first thing what you have to learn from this is sigma r runs from 1 to n tr is nothing but Sn, sum to n terms. So we got Sn. First, before finding 1 by rth term, first find out tr. Next 1 by tr. Next sigma r runs from 1 to n 1 by tr. We will get the answer. Okay now. So very nice problem this is. So let us move to next problem. Hi students. Welcome to this second problem. Find the period of the function f of x is equal to 4 into cos to the power of 4 x minus pi upon 4 pi s square minus 2 times cos of x minus pi by 2 pi square. Okay now, right. How to do this problem? So we have to here, there are two terms are there here, two terms are there, two cos functions are there. So you have to make it into a single cos function, otherwise cos or sin, whatever may be that. Okay, then how to do that? Okay, let us try to do this problem like this. First see here, so f of x is equal to this 4 cos to the power of 4 x minus y by 4 pi square, no. So can I write it as a 2 cos square x minus pi by 4 pi square whole square. This is a 2 cos of x minus pi by 2 pi square. Understand? Understand this? So this 4 whole square 4, right? Right, we know the formulas, list of formulas. So what is the formula list? So 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So here also see here how it is there. 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta means what? 1 plus cos 2 theta. 2 theta means see here you have to multiply with 2. So if you multiply with 2, what happens? 2 will cancel, x minus pi by 2 pi square whole square minus 2 cos of x minus pi by 2 pi square. Understand this? So here let us call it as a 1 square. So here it is how, which form? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Here call it as 1. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Can I write it as? Can we write it as? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. What is a plus b whole square minus 2ab? It is simply a square plus b square. Understand? A square means 1 plus b square means cos square x minus pi by 2 pi square. Understand? 1 plus cos square x minus pi by 2. Again cos square theta is equal to how much? 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So this is equal to 1 plus, already 1 is there, 1 plus cos 2 theta. 2 theta means what? You have to multiply, this is a whole, this is a theta. You have to multiply with 2. 2 cancel, x minus pi by pi square by 2. Understand? Already 1 is there, 1 plus cos square theta means what? 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So separate it. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. So this is equal to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos of x minus pi by pi square. Okay. Now what is the period of this function? So you leave it all these things, concentrate on this. What is the period? Generally period is equal to how much? What is the period of cos 2 pi? 2 pi by, what is the period of this pi square? This denominator pi square is there, no. So what have to write down? 1 by pi square. That is equal to 2 pi cube. So what is the period of this function? Given function is 2 pi cube is the period. Okay. So here what we did know, so systematically, so we made it into one single cos function. So we got cos, sometimes we may get sine. Okay now. So this is so period of this function is period of x by modulus of x coefficient. What is x coefficient? 1 by pi square x coefficient. Okay now. So very nice problem. This is this type of problems may be asked in your next April JEE mains examination. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this one of the problems from limits. Limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n square into sigma log n to the base e minus log of n plus 1 to the base e plus n. What is the solution for this problem? Then how to proceed here? Check. First step generally any students will do. What is the first step? Log a minus log b. Log a by b. So okay, first we will do that. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n square into log of a by b to the base e plus n square. Okay now? Right. At this situation, we will do only n here, only n. So, at this situation, let us put n is equal to 1 by x. Let us put n is equal to 1. I am changing. So, n is equal to 1 by x. We know that as n tends to infinity, x tends to 0. So, as x is equal to 1 by n, x is equal to n 1 by n, as n tends to infinity, x tends to 0. Now, total problem will become like this. N tends to infinity will become x tends to 0. 1 upon n square means 1 by x square log of, this is 1 by x by, this is a 1 by x plus 1, 1 by x plus 1 whole divided by 1 by x. Understand this? See here, so this is equal to limit x tends to 0, this is a 1 by, so can I take a 1 by x square as a common outside? If I take 1 by x square as a common outside, so x square will go in the numerator. Okay, one more step I will write down. So 1 by x square as a common outside. So this is a log of 1 plus 1 by 1 by x, we can write it as a plus 1 by x. So this step I am writing 1 by, so then that is dividing numerator and denominator with 1 by x. Okay now. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0. So here n square means 1 by x square. Here n means 1 by x. Okay now. So can I take a 1 by x square common outside? So if you take a 1 by x square common outside, so this is equal to log of 1 plus 1 by x, 1 plus 1 by x plus this is a x you will get. Okay now. So we will get x square in the numerator, x square in the numerator. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0, x square by, this is a log a by b. Log a by b means how much? Log a minus log b. Log a means how much? Log 1. Log 1 means how much? 0 minus log of 1 plus 1 by x plus x. 1 by 0 minus 1. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0, x square by, you can write it as x into log of 1 plus 1 by x. Okay now, right. At this situation, what we are going to do now, we will write down the logarithmic expansion. We will write the logarithmic expansion so that the problem will come. Okay, let us continue the calculation. Welcome back to this remaining part of the calculation. So here limit x tends to 0, x square by x minus of, what is the expansion of log of 1 plus 1 by x? So this is equal to x minus x square by 2, so on, of course, plus so on, so that we can avoid those things. No need here. Okay now, right. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0. See here, x minus x plus x minus x cancel, minus into minus plus, x square cancel, 2 will come. So therefore 2 is the final answer. Okay. So therefore the limit n tends to infinity, the value of this function is equal to how much? 2. Okay. Right. I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So very small problems this is if A, B and C are n by n matrices such that determinant of A is 2, det of B is 3, det of C is equal to 5, then is asked to find out the determinant of A square, B, C inverse. So this is a first of all, so properties you have to say. So determinant of A into B is same as determinant of A into determinant of B. So that means determinant of A square into determinant of B into determinant of C inverse. Understand? Again, determinant of A power n is same as determinant of A whole power n. So this is equal to determinant of A whole square into determinant of B. determinant of C inverse is same as, that means the determinant of C inverse is same as 1 by determinant of C. This is 1 by determinant of C. Understand? So we applied the properties here. So what is the determinant of A is given as a 2 square into 3 by 5. So 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 by 5. So 12 by 5 is the correct answer. Okay. So 12 by 5. So we applied the properties of determinant. Okay. So very easy problem. Okay. So I hope that you understand these properties. Okay. So let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. Find the sum of this series. Find the sum of this series. That is, what is the series? 1 minus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 into 3 by 60 minus 1 into 3 into 5 by 8 into 16 into 24, like that. So how to find out this sum? Okay. So first of all, you compare this with a general series 1 plus nx. So n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus so on. This is nothing but 1 plus x whole power n. 1 plus x whole power n expansion. You compare this here. 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, nx is equal to minus 1 by 8. So this is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square is equal to 1 by 8 into 3 by 16. 1 by 8 into 3 by 60. From this we have to find out n value, x value. So how to find out n value, x value? See here, you can do like anything. So here x is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 8n. X is equal to minus 1 by 8n. Now substitute here. So this is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2 into x square means 1 by 64 n square. 1 by 64 n square. So this is equal to 1 by 8 into 3 by 60. Now any more cancellations? See here, 16 ones are 16 fours are. Again 2 fours are 8 cancel. So ultimately what remains here? N into n square minus n by n square is equal to 3. Okay, now, so n square will get cancelled, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by n is equal to 3. Okay, now, so this is equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to 1 by n. 1 minus 3 is equal to how much? Minus 2 is equal to 1 by n. N is equal to minus 1 by 2. N value we got minus 1 by 2. Substitute n value minus 1 by 2 here. So what we will get? Nx is equal to minus 1 by 8. N value minus 1 by 2 into x is equal to minus 1 by 8. Minus minus cancel, 2 1s are 2 4s are. X is equal to 1 by 4. So we got x value and we got n value. Substitute here, we will get the final answer. Okay, na? So let us continue the calculation. Welcome to the remaining calculation. We got x value, n value. Substitute here. So the sum is equal to 1 plus x whole power n. That is 1 plus 1 by 4 whole power minus 1 by 2. This is 1 plus 1 by 4 means how much? 5 by 4 whole power minus 1 by 2. So if you want to remove that minus, this will become 4 by 5 whole power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means square root. Square root means 2 by root 5. 2 by root 5 is the final answer. 2 by root 5 is the final answer. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem from probability. See here, the chances of defective screws in 3 boxes A, B and C are 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7 respectively. That means there are 3 boxes are there. So here there are 3 boxes. So one is A, B, C. So box A, box B, box C. In that there are some screws are there. Some screws are there. There are some screws are there in this box. There are some screws. Okay, now, right. In that box, there is what is the probability of, if you draw a one screw, what is the probability that the screw is defective? There are some defective screws are also there. What is the probability that the screws are defective from selecting the box A is 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7 probability. That means what? If you select 5 screws, then 1 will be the defective one, like that. A box is selected at random and a screw drawn from it at random is found to be defective. Then find the probability that it came from box A. Understand this. That means first of all, we selected a box at random. We don't know whether A, B, C, 3 boxes are there. So we selected one box at random and we have taken one screw. Then what is the probability that the screw is defective and it came from the box A? Understand? So first of all, we have to select the box. Let E1, E2, E3 be the probability of E1, E2, E3 be the probability of selecting the box A, box B, box C. Now what is the probability of E1 is equal to probability of E2 is same as probability of E3 is equal to 1 by 3. That means out of 3 boxes you are selecting one box. First you have to select the box. That means E1 is the probability of selecting the box A, E2 is the probability of selecting the box B, E3 is the probability of selecting the box 3. Therefore, probability of E1 is equal to probability of E2 is equal to probability of E3 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay now. Right. Let A be the event of selecting defective screw. Understand? Defective screw from it. So it is given as, that means what? Probability of A given E1. That means probability of, first you have to select a box A from that conditional probability, from that defective, that is equal to 1 by 5. Probability of A given E2. That means if you select the second box, from that box you have to get defective. First E2 you have to select, E2 event means second box you have to select. From that the probability of getting defective screw is equal to how much? 1 by 6. Probability of A given E3 is equal to how much? 1 by 7. Now what you have to find out? Then find the probability that it came from box A. So that means you have to find out probability of E1 given A, probability of given A. That means the defective, first thing, by A by B means B first should happen. That means the defective screw should come from box A. So this is given as by Bayes' theorem. Bayes' theorem. So this is given as probability of E1. First of all, you have to select the probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 divided by probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A given E2 plus probability of E3 into probability of A given E3. So this is equal to probability of E1 is equal to how much? 1 by 3. So this is a 1 by 3 into probability of A given is equal to 1 by 5. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 6 total probability this is plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 7. Okay. So calculate all these values and we will get the final answer. Okay now. So very nice problem. So this is a totally Bayes' theorem direct problem. So in JEE mains examination sometimes direct problems are also coming. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So here there are small problems are there. So find the points of discontinuity of the following functions over set of real numbers. Very simple problems. Let us see one by one. First problem, f of x is equal to 1 by 2 sin x minus 1. So this function will be discontinuous when 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. So whenever 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to discontinuous when 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. Understand? So this implies sin x is equal to 1 by 2. So this is equal to sin x is equal to sin pi by 6, 30. Sin 30. Therefore, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power of n pi by 6, where so this is these are the points of discontinuity. So therefore, you have infinite number of discontinuity. Why? Because you will get infinite number of values. So sin x is equal to 1 by 2 means here x you will get infinite number of values. That's why this function will be discontinuous at an infinite number of points. Okay, now right. So we cannot limit those points. We cannot say this many points. Infinite number of points. Here n belongs to z. Wherever n is equal to q, you will get x value. At that point, this total function is discontinuous. Okay. So coming to second one. Here also the same story. So 1 by x square minus 3 times mod x plus 2. This function is discontinuous when x square minus 3 times mod x plus 2 is equal to 0. Understand? So this can be x square means you can write down mod x whole square 3 times mod x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is a mod x minus 2 into mod x minus 1 is equal to 0. Mod x is equal to 2 or mod x is equal to 1. Understand? So x is equal to plus or minus 2 plus or minus 1. So therefore, this function is discontinuous at 4 points. Plus 2, minus 2, plus 1, minus 1. 4 points it is discontinuous. Okay, now? Now let us see the third problem. So this is a discontinuous at infinite number of points. This function is discontinuous at 4 points where x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 1, x is equal to plus 1, minus 1. Okay, now? So let us see the third problem. Welcome to the third bit. So the third bit is given as f of x is equal to 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1. So here denominator never be equal to 0 for all over real numbers. So if you put x is equal to 0, denominator will get 1. Okay, now? So denominator cannot be a negative. Therefore, it is not discontinuous. It is a continuous function. Okay, now where it is, how can you say that? So we can say like this 1 by, so this is equal to x square plus 1 by this is equal to 1 by x square, sorry 1 by 2. Otherwise, so this is equal to 1 by 2. See here, a square plus 2ab whole square. If you do whole square, what happens here? X power 4 plus 2ab, 2 into x square into 1 by 2. So 2 will cancel, plus b square means 1 by 4. So plus 1 by 4 means will come. So you have to put minus 1 by 4 plus 1. So 4 ones are 4. So this is equal to 3 by 4. If you keep 3 by 4, the problem will be easy. So let us check here. Check here. So a square x power 4 plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into x square into 1 by 2. 2 cancel, x square plus b square. Plus b square means 1 by 4 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square, that means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 1. Okay, now? So this is always x square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 is greater than or equal to 1. Greater than, so the minimum value is 1. Minimum value is 1. So x place in place of x substitute 0. So this is a 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So you will get 1 greater than or equal to 1. So the minimum value is 1. So you never get 0. Therefore, it is always continuous over set of real numbers. It is not discontinuous function. Okay, now? So very nice problem. So I hope that you enjoyed today's class. Those who are preparing seriously for JEE mains examination for April session, so please watch my videos, and every day you will get one or the other very new problems you will get. Okay, now? So I hope that you enjoyed today's class. Let us see the tomorrow's class.